Hello everyone. We have a question here. The question is from NECO November December 2025 question, and this is question 25 of the objective question. The question says if A is equals to 22, B equals 25, R equals 5, and T equals -2, evaluate A minus B all raised to power 3 plus R squared all over T cube. Solution. We are being given A minus B raised to power 3 plus R squared all over T raised to power 3. We are asked to evaluate this, and in the question we're being told that A is equals to 22. That means we substitute that into A. That means we are going to have 22 for A. B, this is minus here. B is 25. That's going to be 25. Close the bracket, raised to the power 3 plus R is 5. That's 5. R squared, 5 squared all over T cube. Our T is -2, so we have -2 all raised to power 3. Here we are going to have 22 minus 25. That's going to give us -3 all raised to power 3 plus 5 square all over -2 raised to power 3. Here we have equals to -3 raised to power 3 will give us -27, because we have 3 raised to power 3 will give us 27, and this is a negative here, and negative or minus raised to the power of odd number is going to give us a negative. So we also have -3 all raised to power 3 to be -3 times -3 times -3. Here we are going to have minus times minus, plus plus times minus, minus 3 times 3 9, 9 times 3 27. We have this to be -27 plus 5 square will give us 25 all over -2 raised to power 3 as well, so it's going to give us -8. We also have that -2 raised to power 3 is going to give us -2 times -2 times -2. Minus times minus, plus plus times -2 times 2 4 -8. So we have -8. This, then we have -27 plus 25. That's going to give us -2 over -8. Minus will cancel out minus. We are left 2 over 8. Then we also have that 2. We can still simplify this. We have a common factor. 2 goes here, 1. 2 goes here, 4. So we have it to be 1 over 4. And that's option C. Ṣó le, kò le.